Got a great idea but can't explain it well? Let's say you want to make a YouTube video about why morning routines matter, but all you've got is morning routines help set the tone for the day. That's solid but kind of basic, right? Use this magic ChatGPT prompt. Take the following text and expand on it. It may be necessary to recreate the text in a more comprehensive manner. Text. Morning routines help set the tone for the day. Wow! ChatGPT turned that into a detailed explanation about productivity, mental clarity, and how routines reduce decision fatigue. Perfect for blogs, videos, or even a course script. What does this tell you? Don't let half-baked ideas stop you. Use this prompt to bring them to life. If you liked this video, make sure to check my next video about creating unlimited blog topic ideas using ChatGPT that can help you in your SEO strengthening journey. I will see you there.